Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Heartbreak as university student dies in Jamaica. Brittany Anderson was a jovial young woman from Grand Spence, St. Andrew who hoped to become a lawyer. The 20-year-old started a degree in journalism at the University of West Indies, Mona, and had plans for transitioning into law thereafter. Sadly, it is a dream that will never materialize. Anderson died last Friday, weeks after falling ill. She was in her first year at university, a feat no other family member had accomplished. She was a brilliant girl, jovial, always smiling. She used to say, "Mommy, I am going to be rich. I am going to help you. Mommy and me are going to take care of you. Just watch and see. I am going to make you proud," a distraught mother, Ramona Bramwell, told News. Bramwell said that her daughter, whose only previous health issue was asthma, fell ill while doing her exams. She began experiencing swelling of her feet, general body weakness and pain. After several doctor visits, Anderson was eventually admitted at the Kingston Public Hospital, where she remained for almost 3 weeks before she died. "Right now, I feel weak. I feel helpless. Me no know how me I go do this. I never thought that she will die. I know that everybody has to go, but not this soon," said Bramwell. The grieving mother could not hold back the tears as she recalled the joy she felt holding her daughter for the first time at 18 years old. She said that she did all she could to provide for her, including selling in downtown Kingston until she was able to get a better job. She is gutted by the fact that her daughter worked hard to achieve her dreams and that it will not be realized. "Brittany is such an understanding child. Even when I didn't have it, she walked and go school C0ME. Brittany would save her lunch and say, 'Mommy, I saved the money so you could cook.' That was my baby. That was my baby girl. She would tell me, 'Mommy, when we start work, we are going to do this and we are going to do that. We are going to fix up the house.' She always think about her family and she had such big dreams and she just never make it. After all her hard work, my baby never make it. She just gone. My baby just gone," Bramwell cried. Brittany was also the eldest of 5 children. Her friends also describe her as an amazing person whose fun personality earned her the name Smiley Orange. One of her closest friends, Anishka Crossdale, told News that she is finding it extremely difficult because Brittany was a genuine friend who always there for others. "I feel like I am going crazy. I visited her the Friday before she died, and right now I am still in shock. Although she was in pain, she tried her best to be strong. Even in her pain, she was laughing and trying to comfort me, even though she was sick," said Crossdale. Jaja sees. Jaja knows, people. Very, very sad article. Yeah, man, really sad, my people. And boy, I just want to say rest in peace, Brittany. Rest in peace. And my condolences to the mother. You understand, to our friends, classmates, everybody who know our people. And it is where we just don't know what tomorrow may brings. You know, these are where everything just come back to my people. See, because she was strong. She was good, people. She wasn't sickly based on what the mother said. She only have asthma. She was there doing her exam when she just not feel good, my people. And, you know, swelling start come and only just sees and he knows, my viewers and subscribers. Zane, we just don't know what tomorrow may bring. A bright future just gone like that. A very beautiful female with a bright smile just gone like that. I really feel it, man. I really feel it. You know, and all I can say, may her soul rest in peace. Brittany Anderson, may her soul rest in peace. Her first year at university, my people. Just imagine, a mother, they are coming from nothing, people, and they are making and achieving something. She's pursuing a career, people, her dream to be that lawyer. That lawyer will come and boom and grab mommy and take mommy out of poverty. But that dream cannot be fulfilled no more by Brittany Anderson. Because what, people? she's no longer with us. And we have to question it sometime and say, why Britney? Why she? Why this girl? Who, you know? And there are so much cruel and vicious and wicked people out there. But why Britney? But God knows best. And all I can say, mommy, my deepest condolences to you. I know you are going through the pain. I know you're not feeling well. I know, you know. Every time you close your eyes, you're seeing your daughter smile. You're thinking about the laughter, those good times you all have together. But all I can say, the Almighty knows best, you know. And for me and my thinking, God have a purpose for every man. And God knows our time. God knows when we come and He knows when we're going to depart. You understand? He knows the time. So when we'll question it and we'll say, you know, why, you know, we just looking at it and say, you know what? God have a plan for Britney, man. See? And God just grab her and God just ready for her. Because not the devil, you know. See? Not the devil. You get me? But I feel it, people. And I'm just sad to know that her dream that she really want to achieve, people, by becoming that lawyer, you know, it's not going to happen no more. Because what? Her life is gone and she's no longer with us. See? And you always hear the attacking boss of this in his vlogs, my people. Love your family members. Love your brothers. Love your sister. Don't wait till tomorrow when they are no longer with us. We're going to come forward and we're going to talk and we're going to cry. We're going to remember the good times we have and the laughter and the joy. See? But while we on earth, people, and maybe the person live round so or live up so, and you live down so, you think it hard. If it just comes up, man, say, wow, go on. Long time I not see you. Yeah, man, we link up. Love you here. And just put a smile on your face and say that love you. You know, because you do it from your heart. Not just doing it to impress the other or just say yeah. You know? But some people just wait till that moment when the person dead and them lying in the casket and then coming at the church and them start bawl. And make a bag of eyes and start tell one story where from way back around a come some side and go back long and come pum pum say. And nobody knows about that story. Zane? But all I go on, you wasn't paying no mind for your family member. Don't wait till I'm gone, you come with that love and come with that flowers. And come spend up a bag of money for me. No, don't do it for me. See, now the truth and reality. Show me the love when I'm alive. Show me how much I'm worth. Show me how much I'm worth. That's what I'm saying, people. So, Britney, rest in peace. Rest in peace. And again, my condolences, mommy. And to all our friends and everybody who know her so well, you know, my condolences. Peace out, my people. Enough love, enough blessings, enough respect. Rest in peace, Britney. Your soul will live on forever. Peace out, my people. Attacking boss said that. Big up every time. More love, more respect, and more blessings. Remember to do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production. Peace, my people. Enough love every time.